In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable your microphone on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you'll go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, select sound. And then scrolling down underneath advanced, select all sound devices. Select your microphone underneath input devices and select the don't allow if you want to disable it or allow if you want to enable it. You can also adjust the input volume right here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.